Within the last hour it's emerged that the death toll from the wildfires in the U.S. state of Hawaii has risen to at least 36 people. Large parts of the tourist town of Lahaina on the island of Maui have been burned to the ground. Firefighters are still trying to get the fires under control. There were reports some people had jumped into the ocean to escape the fast-moving flames. This is the aftermath of the wildfires. Officials said it is still difficult to determine the true extent of the damage on Maui and have warned the death toll may rise. James Tokayaka, director of the Department of Business, Economic Development and Tourism in Hawaii, has just given this update. It's a very sad day in Hawaii. It's devastating, and I know many families on Maui are struggling right now as well.